I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what unlocks the path: an Apple ID email or the phone number tied to the account, plus a trusted device if you have one. Once collected, make sure you know the device passcode and any recent purchase receipts because Apple may ask to verify ownership. Start on a Mac, iPhone, iPad, or the I Forgot page. Choose the option stating you forgot your Apple ID. This first step speeds verification and prevents circular delays as you move forward. You now run the recovery tools. Enter possible Apple ID emails or phone numbers at the I Forgot prompt. Try the one that returns account hints. If you have a trusted device, approve the sign-in request there, because two-factor authentication simplifies recovery. When approval is unavailable, initiate account recovery, fill in contact details, and follow Apple's timeline. Keep checking your recovery status. Apple may request identification or recent device serial numbers. These steps resolve most middle-case blocks by proving you control the account. You finish by resetting the password and re-enabling Icloud and two-factor authentication. Choose a strong new password and update trusted phone numbers. Once done, sign in on all devices and verify synced data. If account recovery is pending, monitor the status messages and respond to Apple's requests promptly. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery stalls, contact Apple support with proof of purchase or device serials to accelerate verification. This final push restores access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.